Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to review this cable tie-down system that I came up with here for the greenhouse. Hopefully it'll help you with stabilization of your greenhouse. Stick with us and we'll show you how to do it. Okay, so we were looking for an easy way to help the plastic be a little bit more stable on top of the greenhouse. These clips on the ends that I told you about before in the original video, these little white clips here, I think I might have put the Amazon link. I don't recommend them. They're just too weak. And they do not hold this thick greenhouse plastic on. They fit properly, but any wind over 20 miles an hour and they pop off. So any pressure changes on the greenhouse, they pop off. Also, something I don't like about them, here I'm going to pop one off here for you, is you see these edges? I don't know if you can see that in the sun, but anyway, there we go. They're extremely sharp, and they are tearing into the plastic a little bit. So I'm going to have to go and sand those all down or round them down somehow, probably on a belt sander or something like that. But anyway, let's show you this cable stabilization system that I came up with here. Check this out. So we have got down in our bottom frame here, we've got an eye bolt and a little baby carabiner here, and then some paracord. This is the 550 paracord, and on each rib we've got one of these tie downs here all the way to the end. Now let's step back here and you can see how we crisscrossed them. That's going to give you a lot better stabilization as you go between the ribs. So you can see this one starts from this corner and then goes up to the first rib on the other side, comes over to, skips this rib and comes over to this rib, and then you do it every other one on the end. Then you cross back over and just crisscross until you end up at your other corner right here. Now what's cool about this is you can get it tight enough, and let's take you back around this side. You can get it tight enough where, as you can see, we've got our side rolled up here and those cables hold it against the ribs, and so we can get airflow. It's 70 degrees today here in East Texas, and when I came in here this morning, by the time I got outside, it was 95 degrees, or 96 actually, inside the greenhouse. So we got to get some airflow in there. So these cables will hold your side just by rolling it up against the side of those ribs, and it's perfect for getting airflow in. I'll roll up the other side right now. I just got the door propped open here, and that's pushing the air through. We got our wind is coming right now from the west, kind of from west southwest and blowing towards the northeast. So that's perfect. Anyway, you can see the beginnings of our heat sink system here, and with these big black barrels, they're fairly warm on the outside here, but I know that water isn't warm enough on the inside right now. And we've got our citrus trees, our mandarin orange and our Filipino calamansi in here already. That's pretty much it. That system is going to help you with any higher winds. I mean, obviously this isn't a commercial greenhouse, it's a DIY greenhouse, but it's pretty darn stable, and it's even more stable now. These cables really helped, and they're dual purpose, like I said, because they hold up the sides. Anyway, appreciate it. And we're going to continue to work on this greenhouse, and we're going to show you that system for circulating the hot water. Unfortunately, the pump that I bought, and I'll go over this in the video that I make, the pump that I bought, it's a Chinese pump, and it's got some funky connections on it. So I've had to try to piece together my connectors to try and make it work with the tubing that I have. Anyway, you'll see that in the other video. Anyway, we hope you have a great day. We hope you subscribe to the channel. We hope you share the video to check out this really cool and easy method. That was probably, I don't know, 40 bucks, give or take, to do this really solid tie-down system on there. It's 300 feet of paracord for this size greenhouse. Is perfect, and I had probably 10 feet, 12 feet left over. And the eye hooks are like 60 cents a piece, roughly, and the little carabiners were 20 for $5, but you get the idea. It's a cheap, great way to do a dual purpose project here for your greenhouse. So, have a great day. Share the video. See you on the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.